Life coaching is one of the fastest growing industries in the world right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your coaching knowledge into a profitable ebook that you can sell on Amazon KDP to generate passive income every single month. All you need is the right topic, the right tool, and the exact step-by-step process I'm about to walk you through right now. So let's talk about why this is such a powerful opportunity. Every single day, thousands of people are searching online for help with things like confidence, mindset, relationships, productivity, purpose, and personal growth. They are looking for someone who understands their struggles and can help them move forward. But here's the problem. Most people cannot afford one-on-one coaching, or they might not be ready to commit to it yet. So instead, they go to Amazon looking for affordable, easy to follow guidance. And that is exactly where your ebook comes in. Think about this for a moment. Someone struggling with self-doubt types how to build confidence into Amazon. Someone feeling stuck in life searches for how to find purpose, and someone overwhelmed with work searches for how to stay productive and focused. These are real problems that real people are actively trying to solve, and they are willing to pay for solutions. When you price your ebook between $9.99 and $19.99, even just a few sales per day can easily turn into $2,000 per month. And once your ebook is published, it sells 24/7 without you doing any extra work. That means while you're coaching clients, your ebook is out there working for you, bringing in income consistently. And that's the power of passive income. And I know this works because I personally see royalty payments hit my bank account every month from the digital assets I've built. Right now, some of the best performing niches on Amazon include things like helping people manage anxiety using practical techniques, building confidence for women in specific careers, mindful parenting for busy families, and developing a strong money mindset for beginners. Each of these works because it targets a clear audience with a clear problem. For this video, let's create an ebook called Career Pivot: Finding Your Passion After 40. This is a powerful topic because it speaks directly to people who have years of experience but feel stuck or unfulfilled. The real question is not how fast or cheap you can create a book, but how quickly you can create a good book that people actually enjoy and are willing to buy. And that starts with choosing the right title, because your title is what determines whether people click and buy your book. In today's market, speed to market is everything, which means you need to know exactly what books are already selling well on Amazon so you can move fast and position your book correctly. That's why I created KDP Bookforge AI. This is an AI-powered app that analyzes Amazon data to give you 3 high-converting ebook titles. It shows you how competitive your niche is and even suggests the best price for your book so you can launch faster and increase your chance of making sales. The first feature is niche research, which helps you validate your idea before writing anything. To use it, simply enter any book title or topic you want into the tool. KDP Bookforge AI then analyzes your idea and scores it based on demand and competition, while also reviewing top performing books on Amazon, including their ratings, reviews, and positioning. This allows you to quickly understand what is already working, identify gaps in the market, and avoid wasting time on ideas that won't sell. It also generates 3 ready-to-use book titles and 5 strong keywords, giving you clear direction and helping you move faster into a profitable niche. The next feature is the AI Outline Builder, which helps you structure your book without guesswork. After generating your best titles, you select one title and use it to create the outline for your book. The tool then creates a complete 6 to 8 chapter outline based on your topic, including chapter summaries and the most suitable Amazon category to publish under. This gives a clearer writing roadmap from the beginning. So instead of spending time trying to figure out what to write, you can focus on building your content in a structured and organized way. The writing studio is where you actually create your book. It uses a simple split screen layout with your full outline displayed on one side and your writing space on the other. You can click on any chapter or section to instantly open it and start writing or generating content with AI. You can expand sections, improve clarity, add examples, and continue writing step by step without losing track of your structure. This keeps everything organized in one place and makes the writing process much faster and easier to manage. Once your content is complete, you can export your book as a Word document or Google document, ready for formatting and publishing. You can then import it into Designer or Canva, which is a free tool to use and that has thousands of free templates to turn it into a professionally designed ebook using ready-made templates. And I would advise using Canva. Check out this video of how to create designs with Canva and you'll be ready to have a ready, well-designed book. From there, your book is ready to upload to Amazon KDP. This workflow allows you to go from an idea to a fully published book in a streamlined and effective way, while maintaining quality and staying aligned with what readers are actually searching for. The next feature is the KDP Publishing Checklist, which guides you through the final steps before publishing your book on Amazon. Once your book is ready and in a print-ready PDF format, you then return to KDP Bookforge AI and use the built-in checklist to make sure everything is properly set up for publishing. The app provides a 12-point checklist specifically designed for Amazon KDP, covering all the important requirements so you don't miss anything. It also shows your readiness percentage in real time. This is the checklist I use to make sure all sections are correctly placed and fully ready for publishing. Finally, the tool includes a royalty estimator and progress dashboard to help you stay informed and motivated. The royalty estimator shows you how much you can potentially earn per book, per month, and per year based on both the 35% and 70% royalty plans. This allows you to plan your pricing and income strategy more effectively. Then the progress dashboard keeps everything organized in one place by tracking your word counts, chapter completion, KDP readiness score, and estimated monthly royalties, giving you a clear overview of your progress as you build and grow your publishing business. So instead of using multiple tools, guessing what works, and wasting time, KDP Bookforge AI brings everything you need into one place, allowing you to go from an idea all the way to publishing on Amazon KDP and generating income. Now, if you're ready to get started, you can access KDP Bookforge AI through the link in the description below. Click the link to get started and begin turning your ideas into published books on Amazon KDP. I personally created this app, KDP Bookforge AI, from scratch. And if you also want to learn how to build your own app, you can click the link in the description and get access to a one-on-one training where I'll show you step by step how to create your own AI-powered app from scratch using your own idea. I'll walk you through the best AI tool to use, the right prompts to use, and how to connect your app to Stripe so that you can accept payments from clients worldwide, as well as how to link your own bank account to receive your earnings. Creating an app with AI and using it to give people access to your idea is one of the most powerful ways to make money online. So click the link in the description to access the one-on-one training and learn how to build an app like KDP Bookforge AI.